Hello kids, today we will learn a new sound, it's k sound. In this video we will learn formation and action, words for k sound. We will listen to a song for k sound and we will do activities together. First, let's learn how to write k sound. First, we will start with round k. Let's write it together. It's round. And now let's write standing k. It's down, lift, in and out. Let's do the action together. Snap your fingers together in the air as if you are playing castanets and say k, k, k. Now sing with the song and do the action.
We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets.
Now it's time to learn words for k sound. So let's start. We have cat, cat, car, car, cow, cow, cake, cake, clock, clock, castle, castle, cup, cup, caterpillar, caterpillar, carrot, carrot, king, king, key, key, koala, koala, kangaroo, kangaroo, kick, kick, kitchen, kitchen, kitten, kitten, kiwi, kiwi. And now it's activity time, so let's start. Activity number 1. Listen to the story and say the words with k sound.
The Khan family is on a trip to Spain. In the morning, they hire a car and visit a castle high on a cliff. On the way back, they pass a cow grazing, some people having a picnic, and a donkey drinking from a bucket of water. "I think it's time for a snack," says Mrs. Khan. "Let's go to the courtyard cafe by the beach." They sit outside to eat and watch a cat and her kittens play nearby. As the clock strikes 4, some Spanish dancers appear, clicking their castanets. K, 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 k. They start to dance and clap to the music, swirling their bright crimson dresses. The children spot a crab, clicking its claws on the sand. K, 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 k. "Look, the crab is joining in too," they laugh.
Activity number 2. Say the sounds and try to read the words.
Cat. Act. Sack. Cap.
Activity number 3. Listen to the word and try to say the sounds of this word.
Kin.
It's kin. Yes, the first sound is k, I, and n. Kin.
Can.
Can. The first sound is k, a, and n. Can.
Kit.
Kit. The first word sound is k, and then I, and the last sound is t. Kit.
Cat.
Cat. Yes, the first sound is k and a, and then t. Cat.
Act.
Act. It starts with a, k, and t. Act.
Cap.
Cap. Starts with k, and then a. The last sound is p. Cap. Activity number 4. Click the pictures that begin with round k. We have cat, cup, cake, coat, carrot, and car. Now click the pictures that begin with standing k. We have key, kangaroo, king, kite, kettle, and kick. And this is the end of our video. See you later.